It's the legend reimagined. The beast that tore up Le Mans in the 90s is back, angrier, sleeker, and faster than ever. This is the 2026 Ferrari F40 LM. Ferrari didn't just bring back the F40 LM, they resurrected it with vengeance. The 2026 model honors the raw, no-nonsense silhouette of the original F40 but injects it with modern aggression. The body is now sculpted entirely from forged carbon fiber, reducing weight while maximizing stiffness. At the front, the pop-up headlights are gone, replaced by razor-sharp laser LEDs. But that iconic low-slung nose? Still there. Around back, the massive rear wing returns, but it's now active, adjusting downforce dynamically based on speed and cornering force. Aerodynamically, it's a masterpiece. Every vent, every scoop, every surface screams purpose. This isn't just a tribute, it's a track weapon wrapped in nostalgia. Step inside, and Ferrari makes one thing clear: this is not your Sunday cruiser. The 2026 F40 LM's interior is stripped down brutality. Carbon monocoque shell, racing seats with 6-point harnesses, and Alcantara in all the right places. There's no infotainment. No cup holders. Just a yoke-style steering wheel, a digital telemetry screen, and switches that control everything from traction maps to pit lane speed limiters. But look closely, there is refinement. A new air conditioning system, track day data logger, and biometric driver feedback system give this beast a touch of 21st century sophistication. Now let's talk about what really matters: power. The original LM was a twin-turbo V8 brute. In 2026, Ferrari takes that heritage and supercharges it, literally. Under the rear clamshell lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid pushing a jaw-dropping 985 horsepower. That's right, nearly 1,000 horses, with help from a Formula One-inspired KRS system for instant torque delivery. 0 to 60. 2.4 seconds. Top speed: 235 miles per hour. But it's not just about straight lines. The F40 LM uses an active suspension system tuned on Ferrari's GT3 circuits, carbon ceramic brakes the size of pizza pans, and a 7-speed dual clutch that snaps shifts in milliseconds. The 2026 Ferrari F40 LM isn't a reboot. It's a revival. A reincarnation of one of Maranello's most brutal machines, reborn for a new generation of speed freaks. It honors the past. It dominates the present. And it might just be the future of what a true Ferrari should feel like. If you loved the original F40, buckle up. Because the legend just evolved. Would you take the wheel? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more dream machines and futuristic legends. Until next time, keep your foot down, and your eyes on the future.